Yes, well, hello there. I am going to play something called Pokemon Lake. Yeah, because I'm cool like that. Yo, come on. Come on. I'm probably just gonna play 2 gym leaders or maybe 50. I don't know. Let's log in. It's Pokemon Lake. Da 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 da. Yeah, this is my account. Coolier0. I'm not gonna change my password because that's top secret. That's so top secret that I forgot it. Oh well. Welcome to yeah, whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna about catch I don't know how many Pokemon and then get out of here. Maybe some ice Pokemon. Anyway, secret that there's mixed Pokemon DNA. That's so creepy. Yeah, anyway, that's so creepy, seriously. I have like a Zekrom with a Kyogre. It's a Zekryogre. Yeah, I have one. It's so weird. Anyway, that's me. We can check here later. Okay, what? Why you no work? Why you no work? Get up there. There we go. Whoa. Delibird, I have one. Snover now. Glaceon, I think I have one. Probably. I have a lot. Smooth Gem, Shearshi. Cleffa, no. Seal, no. Snorant, what the heck. Let's catch Snorant. I should what? Or maybe beat his ass. So cat. Okay, I'm dead. So go Ultra Ball. I didn't catch him. So go Master Ball. I caught him. Alright. Tedurissa. Seriously. Hyogonal, no. Glaceon, no. Sure. A Spiel? How about a Spiel? Sure, I'll have a Spiel. I'll have a Gorog. How about a Poliwag to go with it? How about items? And how about a Shadow Ball? And how about another items? And how about Master Balls? You know, because Master Ball is a ball that never fails. A Shrine Up? Sure, why not? Why not, audience? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Wigglytuff, yeah, he doesn't look any cute. Just Wigglytuff and Gyarados. Is that good? Master Ball. Cat, a Shreenab. Ooh, a shiny shield. Why, sure, I want a shield to go in my bathtub. Legend Magikarp. Whatever. Plasma. Team Plasma has Magikarp? Master Ball, go. Master Ball never fails. Shiny Snover, no. Metalex Field. I want to catch them all. There are over 151 Pokemon in every region. Go Master Ball! Okay, audience, I just need to catch one more Pokemon and I'll be on my way. Oh, a curse. A curse. I put a curse on you. How about Ashawat to beat him down? Attack. Blizzard. There. Now I'll use a Shadow Ball. Okay, caught him now. Thanks for watching. Then I'll do part 2 because I'm kind of in a hurry. So, see ya. Please subscribe or I'll kill you. while you're sleeping. No, I'll not see you. Maybe.